Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this butterfly applique for baby headband embellishments. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. Prepare your desired butterfly shape. This is the size of my butterfly. You can use any size for this butterfly. Just remember that one of these butterflies must be slightly smaller than the other butterfly. I use soldering iron to cut the fabric into this butterfly shape. For this larger butterfly, I use tulle fabric and organdy fabric. First, put the tulle fabric, then put the organdy fabric on top of the tulle fabric, because I love to cut from the back side of the fabric. If you haven't watched my tutorial about cutting fabric using a soldering iron, please see the description below. You can search this butterfly template on Google with the keyword butterfly template. You can see the butterfly shape is very nice. Next, for the smaller butterfly, I use 2 layers of organdy fabric. Fold the fabric like this and cut the smaller butterfly. If you want to know which fabric can be cut using a soldering iron, you can see the description below. What I love about this soldering iron, it cuts and seals both fabric at the same time. You can see these 2 layers of organdy fabric and this tulle fabric with organdy fabric. Prepare needle and thread and start sewing the beads and rhinestones according to the arrangement you want. Our butterfly applique is finished. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.